Welcome to our video on Ashwa Old Coins. The Hungarian 20 foreign coin, 2018, is a part of Hungary's official currency system and represents the nation's rich numismatic heritage. Below is a detailed history and background encompassing its introduction, history, and relevant geographical context. The 20 foreign coin was introduced as part of Hungary's transition to a modernized currency system, which replaced older denominations in circulation. In 2018, the coin retained its standard design, aligning with the broader currency reform that took place in Hungary starting in the 1990s. Hungary's National Bank of Hungary, Magyar Nemzeti Bank, issued the coin as a standard denomination in the Hungarian Forint (HUF) series. The coin plays a vital role in everyday cash transactions and is commonly used alongside other denominations such as 5, 10, 50, and 100 foreign coins. Obverse front. The coin features the denomination 20 forint prominently in the center. Surrounding this is a minimalist design emphasizing the denomination for readability. The top margin contains the inscription MAGYARORSZAG with a cute G, Hungary, denoting the issuing country. Reverse back. The reverse side of the coin showcases a stylized great egret, Nagy Cockzag, a bird species native to Hungary's wetlands and a symbol of its rich natural heritage. This design choice reflects Hungary's biodiversity and its emphasis on protecting the environment. Material: copper-nickel alloy, copper and nickel blend. Circulation condition: material: copper-nickel. Weight: 6.9 grams. Diameter: 26.3 millimeters. Edge: reeded. Mintage: regular, primarily for circulation within Hungary. Value in circulation condition: the coin holds face value in circulation condition but may be valued slightly higher, often around 20 cents to 50 cents, depending on demand among collectors. Appearance: a circulated coin may show signs of wear, such as light scratches or dulled features, typical of pocket change. Condition: uncirculated, BU, or as brilliant uncirculated. Coins retain a pristine appearance with no signs of wear. Value in uncirculated condition: an uncirculated 2018 Hungarian 20 forint coin may be worth around $1 to $2, depending on the demand and collector interest. Condition: proof coins are made with special striking techniques to achieve a polished, mirror-like finish. The raised design may have a frosted look, creating a contrast with the mirrored background. Availability: proof versions of the 20 forint coin may be available in official collector sets from the Hungarian Mint. Value in proof condition: proof coins tend to have a higher value than circulation coins due to their limited availability and specialized production. Values for proof coins might range from $5 to $10, but this varies by market and demand. The 2018 Hungary 20 forint coin was designed to celebrate Hungary's national bird, the saker falcon, depicted on the reverse side in a sleek, minimalist style that represents its dynamic form. The obverse displays the Hungarian coat of arms along with MAGYARORSZAG with a cute G, Hungary, and the year of minting, 2018. This coin holds cultural significance as the saker falcon symbolizes Hungary's heritage and natural environment. The coin's design appeals to both numismatists and nature enthusiasts. For collectors, proof editions are especially desirable due to their enhanced visual quality, while brilliant uncirculated versions offer a more affordable option. Year of minting: the year 2018 is inscribed, marking the production date. The forint has been the official currency of Hungary since 1946, introduced to stabilize the post-World War II economy. It replaced the pengo, which had undergone hyperinflation. The currency's name originates from the gold coins minted in Florence, Italy, in the 13th century, known as Fiorino d'Oro. Hungary adopted this name in earlier centuries during the reign of King Charles I, 1310 to 1342. The modern forint, HUF, was reintroduced after the war, and it has since become a stable currency, despite fluctuations and inflation over decades. The 20 forint coin became part of the system in the later stages of Hungary's currency evolution, representing small but significant increments of value in daily use. Hungary is a landlocked country in Central Europe, bordered by Slovakia, Austria, Croatia, Serbia, Romania, Ukraine, and Slovenia. Its geographical location has historically made it a crossroads of cultural and economic exchange. The Great Egret, depicted on the reverse of the coin, is closely associated with Hungary's iconic Hortobágy National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This park is part of the Great Hungarian Plain, Alfold, and is renowned for its vast grasslands, wetlands, and rich wildlife. Hungary's decision to include such a bird on its coinage reflects the nation's commitment to showcasing its natural treasures and national identity. The 2018 version of the 20 coin was minted as part of the regular production series. It did not introduce significant changes in design or composition but maintained the legacy established in earlier years. This coin continues to circulate widely in Hungary and is a testament to the nation's well-preserved numismatic tradition. As of today, the forint remains non-convertible to the euro, despite Hungary's European Union membership since 2004. While the 20 coin is primarily a medium of exchange, it also holds value for collectors due to its intricate design and representation of Hungarian culture. Coins in uncirculated or proof condition, particularly from specific years, can attract collectors worldwide. The 20 coin, 2018, is a practical and cultural symbol of Hungary, embodying its rich history, vibrant ecology, and enduring monetary system.